Today, I'm taking a close look at the Hansgrohe High Arc Kitchen Faucet, a faucet designed to combine modern style, smart functionality, and long-term durability. But is it really worth the investment, or are you just paying for the brand name? Stick around until the end of this video because I'll break down the features, real pros and cons, and help you decide if this faucet belongs in your kitchen. Product features. Let's start with what makes the Hansgrohe Focus High Arc Kitchen Faucet stand out. First, the design. This faucet features a modern high arc shape that fits beautifully into almost any kitchen, whether your style is contemporary, minimalist, or even transitional. Next, the stainless steel optic finish. Hansgrohe uses a special PVD coating, which makes the surface scratch-resistant, durable, and easy to maintain. This finish doesn't just look good, it's built to last. One of the most practical features is the pull-down sprayer. It gives you a larger range of motion, making it easier to rinse vegetables, clean dishes, and wash the sink itself. You also get two spray modes right at the spout. A crystal clear laminar spray that's perfect for quickly filling pots. A gentle shower spray that's ideal for rinsing fruits and vegetables without splashing. Switching between these modes is quick and easy, just the touch of a button. The faucet also includes a 150-degree swivel spout, giving you more freedom of movement and better access to the sink, especially helpful for double basin setups. And one of my favorite details, magnetic docking. The pull-down spray head snaps back smoothly and stays perfectly centered, thanks to Hansgrohe MagFit, so no sagging over time. Finally, installation is made easier with flexible 3/8-inch hoses, though Hansgrohe does recommend professional installation for best results. Pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly about the pros and cons. Pros: premium stainless steel PVD finish that resists scratches, smooth pull-down sprayer with magnetic docking, dual spray modes for everyday versatility, 150-degree swivel spout for added convenience, clean, modern design from a trusted brand. Cons: higher price compared to basic kitchen faucets. Professional installation is recommended, which may add cost. Fewer color options if you want something other than stainless steel. Overall review. So, is the Hansgrohe Focus Stainless Steel High Arc Kitchen Faucet worth it? If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and functional faucet from a well-known premium brand, this is a strong choice. It's especially ideal for homeowners who cook often, value smooth operation, and want a faucet that still looks great years down the line. This faucet is best for modern kitchens, homeowners upgrading their main sink, or anyone who wants quality without going overboard on flashy features. It may not be the cheapest option, but when it comes to daily use, durability, and design, you're getting what you pay for. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more kitchen faucet reviews, and check the product link in the description to see the latest price and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.